Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 24 by 24 inch deep edge canvas, and I have already pre-painted it permanent green light from Nova Color. It's a nice, vibrant green, like the kind of green you see on a color wheel. I love it. And I want to do something very spring inspired today. So I'm starting with this green on the bottom, and then I'm going to add some quinacridone rose as my first layer. I'm going to do another squeegee painting inspired by Inga's color art. And so that will be my first layer. And then I'm going to do vermilion from Amsterdam. And on top of that, I'm going to do deep violet from Liquitex Basics. This will be the first time I'm using a different brand other than Amsterdam. And then I'm going to use some titanium white. I'm putting these here in order. So pink, orange, violet, white. And then I'm going to swipe in some olive green light for a different tone of green. And then we'll see where we're at. If I think it needs another, like a really dark color, I might add in some permanent blue violet from Amsterdam. But I also think I might like to put in some sky blue light. I'm gonna have to wait until I get to this color. Yes, to decide whether I want to go lighter or darker on that final layer. But we will play that by ear. We'll put those off to the side and then lay these up over here in the order that I want to do them in. I think adding in the white is going to make the first three colors a little more pastel and kind of bring the brightness down. But the first layers you put on seem to be accent colors rather than the primary color. So the last color you put on tends to be kind of dominant. So I might come back to the pink and the orange. And again, I'm going to play it by ear, but I might also just find little places where I want to do those colors, and I'll use one of my smaller spatulas to do that. So, okay, this is going to be a lot of fun. The last time I did this, it took me 45 minutes to do 29 swipes. Yes, I counted while I was editing. And I might do more swipes than that this time, because I'm not just going to go back and forth like this. I'm going to play with the structure as I move along here. I kind of want this to look like a messy spring garden, you know, an English garden or something like that. So, yeah, I'm going to try not to be so color blocked with it this time. So, okay, I'm excited to get started. I'm going to put some music on for you, and I'm going to start playing.
Lay you the shadows of this quiet town. I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. You were made to soar amongst the clouds, but never learn to rise above these crowds. Stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Although you're earthbound. You're earthbound.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Well, that was really fun. I enjoyed that a lot. I learned a couple of things along the way. My orange and the deep violet did not blend well together. I knew right from the very first part of the swipe, I was like, oh no, that's not working how I wanted. In retrospect, I could have put a layer of white in between them and it would have worked out better. And there is still some of it showing right here. A couple little spots right there. I would have liked to have had that color around in various places, but I'm happy with the color palette overall. And you notice that I did stop with the green. I decided it looks very sunny and happy, and I'm very pleased with that. Most of the green base coat color is showing up in these patches here and here, a little bit up here, mainly in the corners, but scattered throughout as well. I love this little horseshoe shape I got right here. There's some just really interesting texture. I'm very happy with that. I love how the swipes are random, but kind of balanced. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. Let's see how she dries. What do you think, Oscar? Should we look at the painting now that it's all dry? Please don't do anything inappropriate. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and look at the painting. We'll pretend like that didn't happen. I really love this painting. You know, green and pink is not a combo that I typically go for, but it definitely has that first flowers of spring feel, that bright green of the green leaves first coming up. It feels like a little wild, like an English garden. Definitely Easter colors. I hope you enjoyed this one. I really enjoyed making it. Thank you very much for watching. And thank you, Inga's Color Art, for the inspiration on this technique. I think I'm going to be doing lots of these. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Go mix up some paints and be fearless. And happy Easter.